Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you for joining me. I'm gonna do a Larimar today, or attempt to do one. I haven't done one in a little while. I have 40, 50, and 60 in these cups. I did not put it in the vacuum chamber, but I am gonna put 5 drops of casting craft in this. Actually, it's 45 grams. I forgot I added 5 more. 5. I'm using Resin Pro Transparente. It's a lot thinner. Very thin, I mean, quite liquidy. So I've never done a Larimar with this. I don't know. I just wanted to try it. I'll go ahead and get that in there. Okay, there's that one. Okay, now to this one, I'm gonna add some interference blue. I don't have much. I need to get some actually. So I'm just pouring that much in there. Let's see, I'm gonna use the yellow, cadmium yellow. Five drops. Let's see how. Maybe I should do another one. Okay, 7 drops total of the cadmium yellow, Liquitex. I can see a little bit of the shimmer of the mica powder. Okay, there's that one. Now I'm gonna put a tiny bit of the black epoxy pigment paste. Just a tiny bit. Little tiny drop. I might get some of that off there. Okay, now it's just like a flat drop. In there. Along with the turquoise by Liquitex. Oh my God. That's why you need to make sure your lids are closed. Oh my God. I really think it's on my face and everything. Oh my God. Oh, I look like the Hulk. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've got to try to clean this off real quick. I don't want that blue in there. And make sure I don't have this on my face. So give me a second. Oh my God. Okay, now that I've totally made a disaster. This might be too thin. I have no earthly idea. All right, guys. Let's start with the yellow. Dump that in there. Now the blue. Did you see that? That was ridiculous. All right, guys, I'm gonna cover this up and walk away. See what happens. So I'm crossing my fingers that it does something. All right, see ya. Okay, guys. I've already taken a peek at this. There's the back. Remember that little piece of white I'd got off there? Well, I must have, when I scraped the cup, put that last bit of white in, it did that. But other than that, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna do it again real quick. It's beautiful besides that. Darn it. I love how it turned out. Just gorgeous. Anyway, let me mix some stuff up real quick. And I'll mix this again. I'm gonna try to do it without that white. So, see you in a minute. All right, guys, now 45, 50, 60. Over here I have 50, 60, 61. Okay. Shaking my white up really well. I'm gonna torch this real quick. I didn't put it in the vacuum chamber. Five drops here. 4, 5, 4, 5. I wonder if I can do half a drop. I'd say 6 drops. I don't know, that might change it totally. Let's mix this up. I'm gonna use my smaller stick. Hopefully I can blend it better than the big one. For the white anyway. Now for this one. I'm not a giant fan of this coaster. I mean, I feel like your stuff can slide right off of it. This one has an edge, a lip, you know, and I really like it. I was gonna mix more resin and do 2 like this, but I didn't mix enough. My sticks are clean, or they're dry. They're not wet, they're just grody. I'm gonna go and get my white in here. This was the 45. I'm not scraping the white before I put it in there. Just putting it in there. I really love the yellow. So let's do some interference blue, what I have left. And that one. And I'll do some interference purple. Oh, and this one. We're gonna do shut your lid before you shake it. Seven drops. Better do 8 drops over here. 7 here. Mix that up. Okay, I'm gonna use I think this is the purple. I mean, the name is off, but let's do 5. This is the blue, 6. With a tiny bit of black, just like I did the first one. Got that. Mix that up. I'm gonna scrape that and get a different stick. Well, I'll just clean that one off and use it again. That'll work. Get a little bit of black off the side. Mix it in there. Okay, I gotta find my other colors. That was thiocyanine blue, I guess, and this is a dioxazine purple. We'll use it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiny bit of black. Get that mixed up. Okay, I'm gonna get the black off here. Mix it again. One more time. Okay, guys. I'll start with the yellow. Then the other one. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That was almost a giant mess. Okay, now this one. Trying to get it in the middle. worried. Look, there's another white speck or whatever that is. Here too. I'm hoping that's the mica. Come and get your stones. If I can get it in the middle. Okay. That's that, guys. Oh, I broke my spoon, darn it. How did this piece get way the heck out here? Okay, leaving it alone. We'll see what happens with that. But I do like that Resin Pro Transparente. It's very liquidy. And I mean, it made a gorgeous Larimar. I mean, if I wouldn't have screwed it up with the white, I mean, that's stunning. So, we'll see what we can do here. And I will see you guys in a little while. Bye. All right, guys. Ooh, I love the glitter crystals. Just a extra I'd poured. Little butterfly. Cute. With glitter in it. Okay, I've been waiting to see these. Now, this is the back of this one, which looks similar to this. It does not look similar to this. You know, I just had a little more resin in this one. Maybe a drop or so more of color, and it's bigger. So, let's go ahead and check out this one. You ready? Oh, I still had white on there. Oh, God, I love it. It just doesn't matter. I'm just going to get white specks. Darn it. But it's gorgeous. I think that turned out amazing. I think I'm finally nailing the Larimar. Okay. I mean, I don't know if you see me mix. I mix like a freaking crazy woman for a long time. So I have no idea how you're going to prevent the white spots. All right, let's check this one out. Well, isn't that crazy? So this one is not as thick as this one. Now maybe if I would have used more resin in this one so it was thicker, maybe it would have came out better like that one. I'll let you know now, my next video is of me doing the Larimar in that bigger mold. And it turns out quite nice. So I hope you tune in, and I really appreciate you guys for being here. I mean, it's still cool, but it's, you know, I wanted more color. I put a lot more color on that than what you're seeing. So I guess on your back, you want it to look like that, you know? But yeah, guys, that's that. Anyway, yeah, love it. I think it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.